Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView website. First, let's get familiar with the layout. The search bar at the top allows you to quickly find any asset, from stocks to crypto. Once you've selected an asset, you'll see the charting interface. Here, you can switch between various chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts, to suit your analysis style. This initial setup is crucial for effective market observation. Now, let's dive into the powerful charting tools. On the left sidebar, you'll find drawing tools to mark trend lines, identify support and resistance, and even project future price movements. To enhance your analysis, add indicators from the Indicators menu. You can choose from hundreds, like the Relative Strength Index or Bollinger Bands. Remember to adjust their settings to align with your specific trading approach for better insights. Managing your assets is easy with watch lists. On the right side, you can create multiple watch lists to keep an eye on different sectors or asset classes. Simply add symbols to track their performance at a glance. For timely updates, set price alerts. These notifications will inform you when an asset reaches a specific price, helping you react quickly to market changes. This feature is invaluable for staying informed without constant monitoring. Beyond the basics, TradingView offers advanced features like the stock screener, allowing you to filter assets based on numerous criteria to find potential trades. The platform also boasts a vibrant social community where you can publish your analysis, follow other traders, and discover new strategies. It's a fantastic resource for continuous learning and collaboration. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.